Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix. There was a problem while playing Playback ID error problem on your YouTube. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting Playback ID error problem on your YouTube, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just long press on your YouTube app, then click on app info, or you can just go to the settings, click on apps, click on see all apps, tap on this search button in top, then search for YouTube, tap on the YouTube, tap on the storage and cache. Here once you tap on clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Means your YouTube account will be logged out and all your saved YouTube videos will be removed from this and all settings will be resetted. After reading this, just tap on delete, then go back, then open the Play Store, then search for YouTube. If your YouTube app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, open your YouTube app, sign in your account and check. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Playback ID error problem on your YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.